YouTube? It's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. How are y'all doing today? Hopefully everything is going in your favor. As you can tell, we're going to be working with heat transfer warehouses, Wallet Cut Express, all that and more after the So as you saw in the B-roll, there was a couple of things that I used that ultimately I think everyone should know about, and you may have heard me mention it a few times in the video. One of them are the VLR by Albochem. You also can use isopropyl, if I'm saying that correctly, which is basically like acetone for fingernail polish. That removes vinyl. If you've seen, or if you're in the squad, you've seen last week that I posted where I used some of this to fix a job, and it really helped me out. Are you looking for great smells that radiate throughout your house? Scentful Bliss. And this is produced by a local woman here. She makes all types of wax melts and candles. Her signature scent is Bliss. Trust me, it radiates throughout the house, and it also makes a great Christmas present. Scentful Bliss. Another key thing that's essential to this t-shirt custom apparel business, or any customer apparel business that's doing with fabrics, if that's your substrate, is this tape. What it is a tape dispenser. I think I got it for a few dollars. It's by Scotch-Brite. I got it from Walmart. And simply what you do is you roll it over the garment or the substrate that you're trying to get clean, and it picks up all the extra fabrics that lay. Now, it may not be visible to the naked eye, but this was a brand new piece of tape. And let's stop so you can get in close. See all of those pieces of fabric? You want that out the way. This right here makes those little blue lines after you started sublimating. If you don't know anything about sublimation, I have a sublimation playlist. Go ahead and click it. So today we're going to be doing 8 shirts. I'm going to stamp the first one actually for you guys so you can check it out. And once again, this is Wallet Express. It's like a 5-second press at 250 degrees, and it really works. But I want to show you guys another sneak tip, just in case you're struggling with lifting your actual vinyl off the carrier sheet. So if we zoom in, this is the carrier sheet right here, which is still attached to the silhouette mat. What I would do if I'm actually trying to get the vinyl off, and I have little pieces like this, is I would leave it attached to the actual mat. That way, it's like double reinforcement, and it kind of helps. So all you would have to do is simply weed it out. There's a lot of little letters and characters and things going on here, so I'm just being extra careful. But this stuff weeds great. So I'm going to finish this, and I'll get right back with you guys. Hey, yo, it's still mask season. I hope y'all still getting to the bag. I know I am. If you can sublimate on these neck gaiters, let me take this down. Ain't but 2 of us in here. Get to the money. This right here is profitable. I've had companies reach out to me as well as normal customers, walk-in customers. It's an upsell for sure. So if you don't have your logo gridded on you, you can use the 12-inch ruler and the 18-inch ruler, and it does essentially the same thing. What I like to do is go for the center of the garment up here, right where the gildan is at, because usually this is in the center, but sometimes it's not. I go from here, and I make sure that this is straight, and I use this to make sure that everything's lined up and make my adjustments. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and press. So as you can see, I have my shirt uploaded. Boy, you can tell I've been doing a lot of videos lately. I have my shirt onto the platen, and this platen, you can't necessarily thread it, although I'm looking into getting a better setup so I can actually thread my shirts onto the platen. I'm using the Stan Banks method. Shout out to you, Stan Banks, T-shirt Side Hustle. If you haven't, please go check my homeboy out. Very, very inspirational, and he's the reason why I basically got into this whole t-shirt industry. But when you load it backwards or upside down, this is the way that they would do typically for screen printing. And when I seen him do it the first time, I really couldn't get a hang of it, but I see why he does it. It just makes much more sense. Instead of trying to shove this collar all the way to the back of there and burn my knuckles, I mean, just let it hang off a little bit. Make sure you got your 3 inches right there from the neck. And this is a medium shirt, so it's not a full 3 inches, but it's good enough. I actually know the guy that the shirt's actually going on, so it does the job, but I see why he has a shirt actually hanging off, the collar hanging off. This way you're not burning it, you're not crinkling up the collar, making it look unprofessional. So if you're like me, a lot of times in the shop, I have a whole lot of things on my plate, and I tend to forget exactly what temps go on what types of vinyl. For the Wallet Express, I need to go on and make sure. Thank God they have it on their website so I can double check. So on their website, they have the application instructions, which you can see, 250 degrees to 302 Fahrenheit for 5 seconds. This is an extra added bonus, especially when you're busy, such as I am. So once my heat platen has reached 250 degrees, we're gonna go ahead and press. And I actually got it on firm pressure. I should have adjusted it again. That was so quick. Uh-oh. Look at that, y'all. Effortlessly. When I say it lays down, it literally lays down in 5 seconds. Now, we're going to go with the overkill press. It's just something that I do to make sure, but as you can see, this isn't going anywhere. There is no liftage. I'm using my nails right now. Nothing's lifting, nothing's moving, but just for reinsurance, and it's just something I do. I use the overkill method and go down for another 5 seconds. Looks pretty slick. Let's take it up off the platen. How I do? I'll leave that up to you guys. Drop it in the comments section. Hey, yo, shout out to the squad. 12 Gone Apparel. You dig? You dig? All Things Styles, Jerome, and myself, Mike Tees. If you like this content, please like, comment, subscribe, comment, like. And as also, if you would like to grab some of this wonderful Wallet Express, please hit those affiliate links down below. You can go and get yourself some today to try out. I'm telling you, once you try it, you're going to fall in love with it like I did. But until the next one, y'all.